Hi, welcome back to Blockchain 101 for Developers. My name is Jack Tanner and I am helping define some of the blockchain developer terms that you need to know as a new or existing blockchain developer. Today we're going to be talking about what is Solidity. Solidity is a programming language for writing smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. It is one of several languages that you can use to write on Ethereum. It's the most popular and most used of these languages. It's heavily influenced by JavaScript, Python, and C++, so developers who are already familiar with this will find it easy to get into. It is an object-oriented programming language with classes, inheritance, and polymorphism. It is statically typed and compiles to a bytecode, which compiles in the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM. Other Ethereum and blockchain-specific concepts do also need to be considered when developing smart contracts in Solidity. Miner forerunning and the game theory and crypto economics play a big role in the design of a smart contract. Solidity is a medium-level programming language. It provides the convenient functions like for and while loops for developers while abstracting away the difficult opcodes in the Ethereum EVM. If you like this video, please share it with your friends, family, and other developers. And please leave us a comment below about your experiences with Solidity. Thanks very much and catch you next time.